Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, in this video, I am going to discuss about a random module in Python. Random module in Python. Okay, clear, guys? So now it is a user-defined module or built-in module. First question. It is a built-in library, built-in module. It is not defined by the user programmer. It is a built-in module. Second question. The random module is used for generate a random numbers. Generate a random number. In this module, it is used to clear, guys, it is used to generate random numbers. In Python, generate a random generate a random numbers. It is used to generate a random numbers. Okay, now the first one. What are the functions are available? The first function is random. The first function is random. Random is a function. It is a built-in function. Now this function is used to generate the random float value. Generate the random float numbers. Random float numbers between the 0.0 to 1.0. It always returns only for the random float numbers. For example, how to import random. Now here print of random dot random function. Clear, guys? This is a simple example. So import the random. This function is to generate the random numbers, always random float numbers between the 0.2 to only 1.0. In this case, we are using only the random numbers. For example, the first one import random. Clear. The next one random dot random, the function. This function always returns a value between the 0.0 to 1.01. Now here return the value 0.67. Again run once again random dot random of. Okay, generate the number 0.04, 150 and so on. Any number between the 0.0 to 1.0 and the random dot random of value. Now this generate the random value 0.09. Clear, guys? And this is the random function. It is a built-in function in the random module. The second one is randint. This function returns a random integer number between the any specified value, between the specified values. This function is used to generate the random numbers, random integer numbers. Here this function returns the random float number, but this function is a random integer numbers integers between the specified integers, Now the clear, for example import random print of random dot randint of 1, 10, for example. What is the value? A random integer between these two specified values only. For example, go to the Python shell prompt, import random dot randint of 1, 10. Between the two specified values, is the one random integer. Random integer is, for example, 7. Now here one more value, random dot randint of, for example, 1, 10. More the next value, another value. Now, are any mistake? Some mistake, spelling mistake. Random dot randint of 1, 10. Now there is a value 6 value, specified value. Here one more value, random dot randint of any value between the, for example, 45 to 50. That is the value between the specified range. Range is 45 to 50. And once again another value, it is the same value or different value. This function is a different value. Once again, then the value equal to 46. Clear, guys? This is a random integer value, random int. Now if you want to specify range, use another value that is equal to third value, randrange function. This is a function. This function returns a randomly, very important, randomly selected elements, randomly selected elements from the range, from the range created by the start value, stop and step, stop and step. This function returns a randomly selected element from the created range. Now what is start? The start, it indicates the starting value. It indicates the starting value. Indicates the starting value by default. By default is 0. By default is 0. By default is 0. Stop. Now it indicates the ending value. Indicates the ending value. Now step value. It indicates the step value means increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Increment or decrement value. By default value is 1. By default value is 1. Okay, clear guys? Now it is the default value. Clear. So for example, it's a rand function, rand range function. For example, import random. Now random dot rand range of any specified range. Starting value 1, the ending value is 1. Every time incremented by 2. That means select one number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only. In between the numbers to select only one number. In between the numbers to select only one number. Please observe this one. Now go to the Python shell prompt. Okay. Import random dot rand range of 1, 10. Select any one value between the 10. Okay, 1 to 10. Now here random dot and range of 1, 10, 2. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only. In between the range to select only one value. Rand range, sorry, the spelling mistake. Here we are using rand range. And range. Select any one value. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For example, random dot rand range of, for example, 25, 100, and every time incrementing by 10. That means 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, and 95. Select only one value. Here select is 75. Okay. Same command run once again. Now we are selecting any one value 45. Clear guys? This is a rand range function. That is the third one. And the fourth function is anyone. You can use the shuffle. Shuffle means reorder. This function is used to reorder the array. So rearrangement. That means reorder the list elements or the list. Reorder the elements. You can reorder any element. For example, okay, it is a x value equal to 11, 22, 30, and 44, 55. This one x dot random dot shuffle of x. Shuffle the value of the x. We are using print. Or directly you can use, or simply only using box. Or for example, one more example also is possible. So please observe this one. Go to the Python shell prompt and run the commands. For example, x value equal to 11, 22, 33, and 44, 55. There. For example, import random dot shuffle of. Shuffle means shuffling. Shuffling means reordering. Shuffling of x. Okay. Into the x value is reordering. Reordering is 22, 11, 44, 33, and 55. Same command execute once again. So now shuffle. So shuffling of the values. Next time shuffling 11, 33, 55, 44. The shuffle means shuffling. Again the same command runs once again. Shuffle the values are X values. Next time 30, 22, and so on. Again same command is executed once again. Values are shuffling. This is the shuffle command by using the random module. Here guys. And the next one, fifth function is choice function. This function is used to return a randomly selected number. This function is to return a randomly selected number from non-empty list, non-empty sequence. Sequence means it is a list or a tuple or a range or dictionary or string. Selecting a random range number, any one number from the given numbers. Okay, now for example, import random x equal to 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Okay, random dot choice of x. Select only one. For example, m equal to, for example, Python. Okay, random dot choice of m. Only one value. Selected only one. Okay, randomly selected one value from the randomly selected only one value. Randomly selected one value, a non-empty list. Here, this is a random choice function. Now go to the Python shell prompt and execute these commands. Now, first one is import random. Clear. Next one, for example, x value equal to, these are the values. Assume that only. Any value, you can specify any value. Random dot choice of x. This function returns only one value. Again, the same one is executed next time also. Okay. Now, next time returns another number. Next time returns another number. Same number or different number? No problem. So randomly selected. The rest time returns another number. Next one, another 11. Next one, another number. Clear? For example, another example. For example, go to the okay, random dot import random. For example, y equal to Python. Now, random dot choice of y. Only one value. Value is O. Again, this is running by choice of O. Choice of y value. Again, select this command. Choice of y. Value. Okay, clear, guys? Now, value choice of y. First time O selected, next time y selected, next time n selected, next time n selected, randomly any one number from the random module. Okay, guys, these are the functions in random module. Clear, guys? Up to here, random is a inbuilt function. It does the generate a random number between the any two numbers. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.